Hey guys, it's John with ReelBlue Custom Rods and welcome back to the channel. I thought I would share this new product that I found on Amazon, as I feel that it could be very helpful for rod builders and for those that need to do some rod repair. So what I really like about this guide set that you can get on Amazon is that it comes with plenty of casting or spinning guides that you can use to build fishing rods or to replace broken guides on your current fishing rod. And it comes with 5 tip top pieces, as you can see up here in the corner. So you have 5 individual tip tops, and then you have 5 of the following sizes. You have size 6, size 8, size 10, size 12, size 20, size 25, and size 30, and size 35. And so you have enough guides here to make at least 5 fishing rods, depending on the size combinations that you come up with for your rods. You can build more than that, probably, again, depending on the guide sizes that you decide to use when you're building your rods. Or if you do a lot of fishing and you have a lot of fishing rods and you spend a lot of time on the water and your guides are breaking, this also would be a great kit for that. Again, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 individual guides in different sizes to help you either build your own rod or replace the broken guides on your current rods. I hope this helps.